Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all over the world, and wherever you are tuning from. We are live again. And yes, Yahoo! So, wait muna tayo ng isang viewer. At least isang viewer man lang, di ba? While I'm fixing my banner here. So, hello, hello po sa inyong lahat. Okay. Yes, and we are live again. So today is our 47th day of our 90-day success challenge. And I'm here again live from Anyo, California. And good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Time check muna tayo. Today is 1:08 p.m. September 6, 2024. And today is Friday. Yes, teka lang ha, check ko lang muna just to make sure that I'm on live right now. Kung hindi, baka sayang ang ating nire-record. Oh yes, I'm on live. So, on our 47th day of our 90-day success challenge, we will gonna be talking about quotes. Actually, it's a parental quote from our team, but for me, I'm doing siblings. About siblings ako ngayon kasi ako yung nakakatandang kapatid, ate, and so I'm gonna talking about siblings. And yung ano, yung parang nakita kong ang dami namang mga quotes, magagandang mga quotes, but siguro sa akin yung parang dala-dala ko na quote is about siblings are like branches on a tree. We grow on different directions, yet our roots remain as one. So, lalong-lalo na we were raised from yung Uh, malalim na culture, lalo na sa amin na talagang they always taught us how to, yung paano yung culture namin. So, everything will be from our roots, from our culture, kumbaga. So it's same as the saying that says ito, we have same roots, but we grow on same directions, but every time kahit na anong mangyayari, babalik at babalik pa rin kami sa aming pinanggalingan. And that is one of the parang doctrine na tinuro sa amin ng aming mga lolo't lola, o 'di ba? So, hi Zap! Aba, nahuli mo rin ako. At saka hindi ka late ngayon kasi simula ko pa lang. So, so yeah, so I'm gonna talking about that about siblings who pag lumalaki naman tayo is may kanya-kanyang buhay, 'di ba? We grow up as a child, and then growing up, mag-aaral at maghahanap ng trabaho, magkakapamilya. So may kanya-kanya ng direksyon ng kanya-kanyang buhay. But always we are going back to our roots, kung saan kami lumaki. Lalong-lalo na in our culture that here it is. Ito yung talagang tinuro sa amin, where the word inayan concept was doctrine to us. Where inayan is like inayan Alisa, like you should be scared of something. It always a reminder that we should be always be afraid of the unknown, or afraid of the supreme being, kumbaga. And that word inayan alone is always a reminder to us, even if we go on different directions, kaming magkakapatid, we always have that in mind na yung inayan na word sa aming mga utak at saka sa lahat ng mga ginagawa namin. And that brings us intact together because we always are reminded of how we grew and how we matured enough. And then we always remember to come back from our roots, from our culture. And through that, kahit na may iba-iba kaming kanya-kanyang buhay, but every time we gather, every time we see each other, we always make sure also to have that pinikpikan. Lagi kaming nag-prepare ng pinikpikan because pinikpikan signifies a unification, or we celebrate that pinikpikan time. Pinikpikan is a ethnic delicacy from the Igorots, where they butcher, or yung luluto sila ng pinikpikan. It's just like a tinola, but that is a very precious, especially in our family. We always treasure that pinikpikan. So every time there's a birthday party, or any occasion, we always prepare that. It signifies unification, kumbaga. Unification sa family, unification sa mga relatives, ayan, at saka unification from friends. Ayan, lahat it signifies unification talaga. So every time, and it also signifies a welcome, that you're being hospitable. It's like a welcome dish para sa mga bisita, ayan, mga ganyan. And we always do that. So every time na magmi-meet kaming mga magkakapatid, yan yung talagang hinahanda or pine-prepare namin. Kahit na simpleng yan lang, kahit wala ng iba, it's always just like pinikpikan and then rice, and that's it. Because we are very, very happy to see each other, and we celebrate that through food na yung pinikpikan. Yes, and of course, growing up, yung the word na inayan, ano ba kasi ang English nga ng inayan, na nakalimutan kong i-search kung ano ang talagang English ng inayan. Ayun, oh yeah. So inayan is like being afraid of. Yan. Yung parang dapat yung parang iniisip mo na you are afraid of something. So you are afraid of, so it's a reminder that you should be cautious, and you should be sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo, and it's a reminder also that there is a supreme being, kumbaga. And from that teaching na tinuro sa amin, ah, lagi naming iniisip yan na Inayan Alisa, it's like oh, that's a reminder that don't do that because it's bad, or don't always do good, kumbaga, or always do kindness. Yan yung inayan na tinuro sa amin. So we always bring that, even if growing up, and even if we part ways na magkakapatid, we always have that, and then we always remember to come back from our roots. So talagang as I've seen to my siblings, yun yung nakatatak, at saka yun yung magandang tinuro sa amin, aside from our culture, that was taught by our grandfather from the mother's side. He's a teacher, but he deeply respect the culture of the Igorots. And the good thing is, it was taught within us na kahit na saan kami pumunta, dala-dala namin yan. So every time that we gather, we always remember him also by cooking pinikpikan, o 'di ba? So yan yung aking parang i-share na quote ngayon. Hi Jeans! Uy, nakahabol din. So yan yung gusto kong i-share sa ngayon, kasi wala na akong ibang maisip na, ang dami-dami naman kasing quotes, but yung parang pinaka-importante sa akin is always go back to your roots. So yan yung kasi yan yung talagang iniisip ko din na parang pare-parehas kami ng mga magkakapatid, na yan yung talagang gusto namin ding yan yung talagang natanim sa amin, yung always go back to your roots. And then no matter what, always go back. Yun yung parang sa amin na magkakapatid. And I always see that because every time that we are going home back to the Philippines, we always make sure na we go home to our province and then agparty ti pinikpikan kasjay. Yun yung talagang reminder or talagang tinanim sa amin ng aming lolo na yun na when you go home, always agparty ti pinikpikan, always make sure offer kayo ti pinikpikan kasjay. And we always do that even if it's a small chicken or small pinikpikan, because pinikpikan is chicken, yung slowly ano ng chicken. So kahit na maliit 'yan, pinagse-share na 'yan ng maraming family kahit na tigi-tigi-tigisa. Just to join or just to be united again with the relatives. So 'yan yung talagang tinanim sa amin na magkakapatid, and I always observe that too when I go home. Also my siblings, they always observe that too. When they go home, they make sure that they will kahit na konting pinikpikan lang or maliit na pinikpikan, they always make sure to prepare that. So, talaga naman itong mga sisters ko ang very supportive, Zapra and Gina. And talaga naman, thank you so much. And when I woke up like this, oh my gosh, they surprised me with a cake. Thank you so much for celebrating a simple birthday. Yan yung kasayahan ng aming aking mga sisters from different mother. They surprised me. Small cake, tulog pa ako kasi I came from night shift and Gina came from night shift too, and they were able to celebrate my birthday with a simple cake. Aba, they surprised me from my bed. Sabi ko ayoko na sanang gumising, but nakita ko bakit may parang kandilang lumalapit, yun pala they surprised me. Talaga namang nakaka-surprise 'tong mga sister na 'to, and they always make sure to make you happy and be surprised on your big days. So, ganyan din ang dapat na magkakapatid, 'di ba? At saka yung parenthood, that you share something and show what you were taught, being a role model parent, o 'di ba, sa mga bata, kasi kung ano yung nakikita nila, yan yung ginagaya nila. So but for me, ano naman, ano ba, growing up, that's why when I grew up from my grandparents, yan yung mga tinanim talaga. And we always bring that, uh, kung ano yung mga tinanim nila sa amin, yan yung dala-dala namin. So every time na umuuwi kami sa amin is we always pay respect with a small, kahit a small pinikpikan man lang. We always go home and pay respect to our grandparents, and prepare a small pinikpikan and do offerings. So especially my lolo in the mother's side, he always do that. So, and I always remember him always preparing something. Make sure na he always acknowledge even if it's small things, yung mga wins, small wins mo growing up. I observed that to him, and he always prepares pinikpikan just to acknowledge that you did great, you did good, even if failure yan, even if hindi ka pumasa. I remembered one time, I actually, for the first time, hindi ako nag-excel sa aking CGFNS, and he is the one who prepared an offering. He is the one who showed na even if you did great on your exam, on your CGFNS, it's okay. He offered an offering, and then he said that you still made it because you made it in the exam center and you finished the exam. So doon ako na touch talaga sa kanya nung time na yun. And he's already hindi naman bedbound, talagang hindi na nakakalakad that time. And after that, he passed away on that same year when I took my exam. And always yan yung dala-dala namin, yung tinuro niya na always go back to your roots. And sa aming magkakapatid, that is what we always treasure, and especially the word inayan. And every time that we talk to each other and give advices to each other, we always include the word inayan in our group chat, or in our advices na binibigay. And it's always a reminder that you should be afraid of the Lord, and always afraid of the unknown, kumbaga, 'di ba? So that's it. Ano pa ba? And aba, may say, madami ko natutunan din. Ganda pala ng ito sabi ni Jeans, always, I love that. Always go back to your roots. Yes, because we that is one culture of the Igorot tribe that we always treasure. We always know how to go back to our roots. That's why when I watch the Avatar, it's same as like the culture of the Igorots, because they are always connected to the roots, to their roots, or which is the nature. Dami kong natutunan, ang ganda pala ng meaning ng word na 'yan, and the symbolism of history of pinikpikan. Yes, there will be a lot of things that I can relate on our journey, especially having this kind of business. And I always do that too, that the word inayan. I'm always thinking of that. That's why we are reminded to stay grounded. Aside from the saying na yung kay Jose Rizal na ano na 'to, yung kapag hindi ka lumingon sa inyong pinanggalingan, hindi ka makakarating sa yung paroroonan, or mas malansa ka pa sa isda, parang gano'n. Nakalimutan ko na. And that is one of the culture, talagang deep culture 'yan ng mga Igorot tribe, the word inayan. And I always bring that every time that yung lolo ko naman is she's a UCCP yan pastor noon. And but he always parang sinasabay niya, mini-mix up niya, kasi they always say that Igorot culture is parang iba naman yung culture sa religion, 'di ba? So, yun yung parang yung iba sinasabi nila na gano'n, na bakit pastor siya, pero parang mini-mix niya sa culture ng mga Igorot, parang pinagmi-mix niya na yung yun nga, yung parang nag-o-offering, gumagawa pa rin siya ng offering sa kabunyan, but he believes also in the Lord, in God, parang gano'n. Parang yun yung kine-question ng iba do'n sa amin, but it's the same thing. They always believe in one God. So Kabunyan is one God, and God is God. So it's the same thing, that at least they are believing on same God, so, and praising same God. So yung kagandahan lang nun is talagang may takot lang talaga sila sa Diyos. Yung isa naman is may takot, there is a fear to an unknown or supreme being, parang ganon. So, aba, si Ate Jo, hi Ate Jo, hello, hello. Si Ate Jo, yes, FBI certified full blood and proud to be once adopted by my Igorot friends. Yes, si Ate Jo. So, yan, love na love din niya yan Baguio, and she loves also pinikpikan. So, why won't you visit me so that we're gonna prepare a pinikpikan for you? Oh, 'di ba? Hi sis Nobs, thank you for coming into my live. It's just a short live wherein I will share about sibling ang tawag nito, sibling codes. And yun nga, I just shared about even if we grow on different path, we always go back to our roots, our main roots. And I just connected it to our culture, because we were doctrined, or we were taught on our culture, na tinuro din ng malalim sa amin. And the word inayan, or the concept of inayan, in Igorots was instilled on us, where we it signifies appear to the supreme being. Yun. So, yun yung word na yun. Kaya parang pag sinasabi yung inayan in Igorot, it is deeply, deeply respected and deeply connected to everything on what we do. That's why pag umuwi kayo sa amin, they're always good. They accept you as a whole, and talagang talagang tinatanggap ka nila sa bahay nila, and they will prepare you a pinikpikan. 'Di ba? Always if there's a visitor, kahit na anong occasion 'yan, there's always a pinikpikan. Kaya magsasawa ka kung sunod-sunod ang birthday, sunod-sunod din na may pinikpikan, aba, hanggang sa maubos yung yung alaga, but hindi naman. So, I think that's the one that I want to share for now. And hi, Sis Sau ko! Aba, Sis Sau is here. Hi, nahuli mo rin ako at long last. But I've been lost for a while, and ano to? I'm replaying all your lives, watching all your lives, and talaga naman nag-improve na lahat, oh, 'di ba? Congratulations to everyone, and I'm very, very proud to my teams and business partners. There's no really na ipagpapalit itong ano na 'to, business and the team, oh. And I'm very proud of all what you do, and I'm learning from you guys. So every time I'm watching all your replays, I'm learning something, and yun din yung ginagaya ko. Kaya thank you sa lahat ng mga ng mga ano nyo, ng mga lives ninyo. Oo, 'di ba? So yeah, next time we're gonna do live together, collab tayo, si Saukon ulit. So, yes, so that is the only one that I want to share. Ano pa bang magandang, kasi parang yun lang yung nakikita ko na-share ko lang yun kasi, actually pare-parehas kaming magkakapatid. Kung ano yung utak ng isa, yun yung utak ng lahat. Which is, it's because that we grew each other's side. And kaya, aba, I'm jumping from sinong naka-live ngayon? From one live to another today. So, I think that's it, so that everyone can watch the others' lives. And I'm very, very thankful that you were able to watch my go live for today. And I'm working, and I'll see you tomorrow again on our 48th day of our 90 Day Success Challenge. So if you're curious enough on what business we have, don't forget to register and watch the info session at www.josonkit.com, and there you will watch the overview of our business. And if you want to proceed, it will lead you the way where you can see and watch the blueprint of our business. And the good thing about this is it is all automation. So all you have to do is just enter your email name and email, and it will show you everything step by step. And if you have any questions, or if you have any doubts, just ask me. And if you are skeptical, I am skeptical too before, and that skepticism is a reminder to us that we are afraid of inayan. Oh, di ba? That's the thing. Oh, we that's the other doctor. That's the other word for the inayan, because yeah, we are afraid of inayan. That's why we are very skeptical. Inayan is afraid of unknown, or afraid of the supreme being. And with that, it's okay. But you will never know, and you will never see the beauty of our business if you will not do it, if you will not try to see it. Walang mawawala. It's a win-to-win situation. And you will learn something. I will learn something. And the good thing is you can retract anytime if you don't like it. So it's a good try. That's what I can say. Because for me, I haven't tried anything before. I don't have any experience. I don't have any idea. But when I entered in this, I've learned so many things, and I've never known that there is something like this. So if you want to know more, and change your life for better, or learn something that is new, and want to know more new adventures, then it's a good try. Okay, and I want you to see you in the inside. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, on our 48th day of our 90-day success challenge. So almost getting there na, and thank you so much. Yay! Live si Kuya Coach. Okay, sige, baba. I want to see my anong tawag doon, happy pill. Si Kuya Coach. O sige, bye-bye. Thank you so much and have a good day. Have a blessed day, everyone. Thank you.